Hey guys, let's unbox this Tapo Smart Temperature and Humidity Sensor. This one is the Tapo T310. This is just an unboxing. Later I'm going to install and set it up. You see the information here about the Tapo hub required. So you need to use a hub like this. You see that I have this one already here. This is the Tapo H200. You can also use the Tapo H100 or H500, okay? So let's just unbox and see what I have here inside. There we go. Here's the sensor. Let me just remove from here. Pretty small one. See here, there's a plastic that you can remove to start using it because there's a battery here inside. And it's pretty small. And there is a hole here that you can press to open the battery, right? Just press here with a paper clip or something, and then you can open it and change the battery. Okay, so super small. Let's just see what else I have here inside. So it comes with the quick start guide, smart temperature and humidity sensor. There is a setup video. If you want to scan the QR code, you can just watch the video. Here's the information. Okay, a sensor detector, an LED here just in front of the sensor, and the battery pinhole. You can use a pin to press and remove the cover. Here the battery is the CR2450 if you want to buy one. Or I think it already comes with one, right? And there's also a reset button if you need to reset. There we go. Then you can download the app for the installation, remove the plastic so it starts working with power. And here, set up the sensor with your phone. You can use an Android phone or you can use an iPhone. It works either way. Here you can test the sensor as well. And here, more information about how to hang it up and stuff like this. So pretty useful. The user guide is pretty easy to understand. You can place your sensor, the installation, metallic surface, for example, it's magnetic. And you can use some 3M to put this in place as well and stick to some location, right? So super easy with a lot of information available here. Let me just put this aside and see what else I have here because we're supposed to have some accessories, right? And there we go. Here in this plastic, just come with the 3M. If you want to stick this somewhere, you can just use this one. And this one as well. There we go. In here, you can hang up the sensor if you want to. There's this option as well. Here, a magnet one, I believe. Let me just double check here and test. No, it's a non-magnet. I'm not sure what this is about. Let me just double check here. Oh yeah, you see that you have the sticker, né? So you can use the sticker here. Then you can put this here to a metallic surface, right? It's a magnet, but here there's no metallic surface, just plastic. So you just need to stick it here and the other one here. Then you can put on a magnetic surface. Super simple, okay? And it comes also with this one that you can use to open the battery compartment. Let me just open here to see what's inside. Just press here. Oh, I need to remove this first, I think. There we go. Already see that working. Let me just approach the other camera here to see that's flashing. There we go. Let me see if I can open here with this paper clip. There we go. You open it that way, and you see the battery back there. CR2420 already comes with the battery. Lithium cell, 3 volts. Okay, basically working. And now I just need to set it up. Just try to close it correctly here. There we go, you push it away and you're good to go. You can set up with your cell phone. Okay, in the next video I'm going to set it up. This is just a quick unboxing. Okay, I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.